welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm here in my parents' upstairs office room where they have a closet full of items and they've asked me to help them declutter. We just went through this closet and discussed what they want to keep and what they want to get rid of. So we're now just going to start pulling everything out and then reorganizing this closet. They decided to get rid of a lot of the art that they no longer hang on their walls, and that's one thing that I think a lot of us forget to declutter is artwork and paintings that we no longer want to hang. It's just so easy to stick it in a closet and think someday I'm going to use this, when in actuality you may never hang that art again. And so my dad and mom just went through that art and said, this is it, we have enough, we aren't going to be using this, and so now we can declutter it. I wrote a whole post about this on my blog, which I will share down below, and it's all the items that you tend to forget to declutter. Now I'm just going through and pulling out all of the items that they don't want anymore. My mom came in and we were discussing how to organize the closet.
Yeah, and then put these lightweight ones maybe on that side or something.
The change does not seem too drastic, but in a second you will see just how much we are getting rid of. I reorganized the closet, which only took about 2 seconds, but I just moved all of his tuxedos and suits down to this end where he won't need to get to these very quickly or very often. And then I have his 2 robes that he wants to keep here front and center so he can grab these on a cold day. And then over here I have his most used jackets. So these are windbreaker and raincoats, and then his warmer jackets. And then these other jackets, these are more collectible jackets that he doesn't wear very often, so those are off to the side. My dad explained that a lot of these jackets are not fitting him anymore, and so that's one reason why he's getting rid of them. Plus he has quite a few, my mom's here. Plus he has quite a few jackets already, so he's decided to get rid of these ones that don't fit as well and he's not wearing as often. We're quickly going to fold all the pants that he's decided to get rid of so it fits easier in the donation bag. And then one of our friends always takes these nicer hangers. We have plenty, so we always give these hangers to them and then they can use them for their stuff. My mom's pulling out the Levi's because she sells stuff on eBay, so she's going to see if she can sell any of those. He's getting rid of 17 pairs of pants, 3 coats, and a giant robe. And most of those pants they don't fit him anymore. That's the main reason I think why he's getting rid of them. He lost weight, so those pants just don't fit, but we're going to donate those to a local charity shop that raises money for the old community. It goes to the old people's community senior center. So that's where we're going to drop those things off probably later today. Didn't you tell me you have something else you wanted to do?
Oh yeah, towels in my linen closet.
Okay, let's do that.
Everything here I want. I've got minimal sheets.
She wants all that.
Yeah, this is for the one big bed and for the other bed, and then this is
for the other bed.
It's pretty much, those are the only blankets I have. Oh, okay, so what I want to do is get rid of a set of towels.
Okay.
I have too many.
The orange?
And washcloths. No,
oh, never mind. She likes the orange, never mind.
Okay, so these 2 things are going to go.
Okay.
This is the old curtains from that bedroom there.
Oh, I think I made those.
You did. You made them by hand. You want them back?
No.
You can have one. Okay, this is a shower curtain. Anyways, I have a lot of washcloths. So I'm going to keep just a few white ones, not too many, and the rest can go. Here are so many washcloths. I have a whole set of this pattern and they've become just worn out. And this is the thing I want to get rid of. I'm going to keep the orange and I'm going to give away these, or yeah, I'll just give them away. There, that whole stripe pile is going to go. So I'll have 2 sets of guest towels and then 2 of my favorite towels. And then I don't need so many mats. And then we have beach towels. How many beach towels do we need?
How many beach towels does one woman need?
I don't know how many beach towels we need, but we never go to the beach.
There's 2 people living here, and
oh, I've got way more than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6. It seems like way more because they're so thick. I know when you guys come over and the kids swim in the community pool, we need some, but you also have your own, so how many should I keep? Your dad has his favorite beach towel that he probably got 20 years ago in Maui.
So keep that one if it's your favorite.
It's his favorite, so we'll keep that one.
She asked how many towels should 2 people have, and they do have a pool, and guests come over and use your towels once in a while.
Red.
So I would say at least 4.
4?
Because
okay,
one for you, one for Dad, in case you both swim at the same time, and then 2 extra. And then if we ever come over, we'll just remember to bring our own towels. I would just get rid of the junkiest, because one of them looks like it was falling apart.
Yeah,
one thing that I found is Turkish towels are really absorbent and super thin, and they dry really fast. So whenever I'm going to get new towels, it's going to be Turkish towels because they take up way less space.
Yeah, they just have terry cloth on one side and cotton on the other side.
Yeah, they're really nice. So that's a tip. All of these towels are going to be donated to the animal shelter. And this is what her cabinet looks like now. It's nice and organized. She has 4 beach towels and 2 sets of regular towels and then some extra blankets down at the bottom.
I just started thinking about it. Okay, this is one of those things like, how many pillowcases do you need? I have way too many.
Holy smokes.
I know. I use these. This goes with my new duvet cover. These are ruffles that I never use. And then I have a bunch of these really cute embroidered ones that maybe I'll give to somebody because I never use them.
Or maybe sell them on eBay.
Yeah, that's a good idea. And I've got basic whites and then some embroiders. Anyway, so what am I going to keep? I'm going to keep these gold ones because I use these. And every set of sheets has their own matching pillowcases, so I really don't need extra pillowcases. I don't know why I keep them. They all have sentimental value.
Drool.
DNA.
Cool, you did really good.
Yay! I'm excited. Now look at all the room I have. Orange one that's gonna go. Here, let me get stuff. I'm watching you do it all.
She's watching me.
Okay, here we go.
If you all remember the video when my mom and I decluttered her stuff last time, we have to avoid the naked lady. So I'll link that video below in case you want to find out about the naked lady.
Yes, the naked lady.
Here we go. Be careful, please. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, maybe you should because
Yeah, you got too much. Just come back
I might
up.
fall.
Yeah.
Speaking of stairs and bad knees, on the radio, this guy was talking about his sister was carrying her laundry basket down the stairs at their apartment, and she slipped in a pile of poop.
No.
And she fell all the way down the stairs. It went in her hair, went all down her back, up her blouse.
Gosh.
It was just on the radio.
Ew.
I know, it's disgusting.
Did she get hurt too?
I think so. She went sliding down on her back because she was carrying something like this. She couldn't see where she was going.
Stepped in poop and slipped?
There was a poop pile on the stair.
That is disgusting.
It's disgusting. She was really not happy.
Thank you for that update.
Okay. We'll share that in local news. Bing! Out.
I hope this video inspired you to do some decluttering and organizing in your own life. A little bit can go a really long way, and my parents have come so far from when they first started decluttering until now. They have downsized so many different items, and I'm so proud of them. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to never miss a video. And thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
And I have a couple clowns
Declowns.
to declutter. Deaf clowns in my drawers. Okay, start over. Oh,
Calvin.
careful, Calvin.
So heavy.
Okay,
Now what?
now we can go into my closet over there. What's it called? A linen closet. I have some towels to declutter.